Natural gas. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in positive MACD. We're slightly off of overbought levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we remain in negative MACD. We do see it converge. As we extend that to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD and we're also seeing it converge there. We're still below the 200-day moving average, this green line, and that is at a price of $3.93. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $11.06. My sell target is at $12.46. My stop loss is at $10.68. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $13.02, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $11.48, and my stop loss is at $13.62. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 29% chance to climb between 0 to 8%, a 14% chance to climb between 8 to 16%. To the downside, it has a 43% chance to fall between 0 to negative 8%, and a 14% chance to fall between negative 8 to negative 16%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.